Binary options traders, welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple yet highly effective strategy for binary options trading. We'll be diving into the world of Bollinger Bands and Stochastic Oscillator, two popular indicators that will help us identify overbought and oversold positions in the market. With this strategy, we'll be trading for a quick 2-minute expiration and analyzing the 1-minute chart. So let's jump right in. To kick things off, let's talk about Bollinger Bands. These bands consist of a moving average line placed in the center, accompanied by two additional lines plotted above and below. The upper and lower bands provide us with a visual representation of volatility. When the price starts moving closer to the upper band, it indicates that the market might be overbought. On the other hand, when the price approaches the lower band, it suggests an oversold market. By utilizing Bollinger Bands, we can strategically enter trades when the price reaches extreme levels. Bollinger Bands will be set up with their configuration by default. Next up, let's dive into the Stochastic Oscillator, another powerful tool in our trading arsenal. The Stochastic Oscillator measures momentum and compares the closing price to the price range over a specific period of time. This indicator consists of two lines, %K and %D, which fluctuate between 0 and 100. Values above 80 indicate an overbought market, while values below 20 suggest an oversold market. By understanding the Stochastic Oscillator, we can time our entries more effectively and increase our chances of profitable trades. We will change the K period to 5%, and it is the only one we will change. We will also add the CCI indicator, which will give us extra confirmation. We are going to leave its temporality at 150 and 150. Now that we have a solid understanding of Bollinger Bands and the Stochastic Oscillator, let's discuss how we can combine them to create our 2-minute strategy. By using these indicators together, we can validate potential entry points and filter out false signals. When the price touches or exceeds the upper Bollinger Band, while the Stochastic Oscillator is above 80, it signals a potential market reversal or correction. Similarly, when the price touches or falls below the lower Bollinger Band with the Stochastic Oscillator below 20, it indicates a promising buying opportunity. Now that you understand the concept, let's discuss how we can implement this strategy step by step. First, identify a clear trend on the 1-minute chart. Look for a strong upward or downward movement. Once you've identified the trend, wait for the price to reach either the upper or lower Bollinger Band, while the Stochastic Oscillator signals an overbought or oversold condition. This will be our entry point. Now, select the 2-minute expiration period to align with our strategy and execute the trade. Remember, take care of your balance sheet when trading binary options. You can open your account with Pocket Option using the link below the video and copy our trades. And there you have it, my fellow traders, a simple yet highly effective 2-minute strategy for binary options trading using Bollinger Bands and the Stochastic Oscillator. Remember to practice this strategy on a demo account before diving into real trades. As always, it's crucial to stay disciplined and manage your risk effectively. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Happy trading, and may the pips be in your favor.